$94,000 is what I've been able to do just in the last 58 days. And I've done that with 100% free traffic. If you are an affiliate marketer and you're not generating big results online, I'm talking $1,000, $2,000 commissions, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 months, this video is for you. Because actually, let me just tell you, this week I'm hosting multiple webinars that I want to invite you to if you're interested in earning commissions. I'm going to leave the details for that just below this video here. And what I want you to do is click on it. And depending on when you're watching this video, I might have one coming up tomorrow or the next day, or you could even just watch the replay of the previous webinar that I've done to get all the details about this. But essentially, things have changed. Paid traffic has its place, and I used to use solo ads in the past and email ads and stuff. But now where all the buyers are free traffic. And I'm actually hosting, as I mentioned, a special webinar about this. If you want to learn how to earn $2,000 commissions with 100% free traffic, I want you to click the link that's just below this video and go check it out. Now, I know that there's a lot of videos that you watch online and people tell you I'm making this and I'm making that and all this kind of stuff. So to make sure that I'm not just another video, let me actually log into my accounts live and show you this, because I realize that it's one thing to say I'm making this and I'm making that, but it's another thing to show you. And this is a question you should always ask yourself whenever you're listening to anybody on YouTube, is that are they actually making commissions? So check this out. This is one of the programs that I started promoting exactly September 19 with a special affiliate marketing funnel. So far, with 100% free traffic, it generated me $54,850. If this was the only program I've promoted, that's almost $1,000 a day, somewhere around there. But here's the thing. With the special affiliate marketing campaign that I use, there is actually multiple commissions that it generates for me. So let me just refresh this to see if maybe a new commission came in. As you can see, look at the dates, September 19 to November 16. And if we scroll down, just give it a second to load here, net sales, $39,210. If you add these two up, so 58K plus 39K, that equals a total of $94,000. $94,060. Now, to show you proof, just today, I've had a $1,497 payment come in, and it's not even the end of the day yet. So now, let me ask you this. If you are interested in earning big commissions online with affiliate marketing, and you think that whatever you're doing right now is working, let me ask you, look at my results and look at the types of results that you've been generating so far. Are they similar? If they are, congratulations, you don't need to come to the webinar. But if they're not, or if they're nowhere even close to the types of results that I'm generating, you need to come to the webinar this week. Again, I don't know when you're watching this video, but what I want you to do is click the link below, go find out when this webinar is happening. I'm hosting a few of them this week. So click the link below, go check it out. It's going to take you to the exact affiliate marketing funnel that I use. And I'm going to invite you to a webinar that's going to show you exactly how it works and how I'm doing this with 100% free traffic. There's a special software that I use, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what it is, and you can actually get a hold of it yourself. Now, having said that, one more thing that I want to mention is this. Actually, let me show you. This is another thing that you're probably wondering. Well, David, that's great that you're generating results, and that's awesome. And again, my results are not typical. But what about members' results? Well, let's take a look. This is our Facebook group. As you can see, I do the work. You are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. And on the webinar, I explain exactly how that works. Check this out. This is a live that I was doing earlier to give my team members some updates. Here's a member, Miles, did $2,000 today. Miles, by the way, is also leveraging the exact traffic method that I'm going to show you on the webinar. And he did this $2,000 commission with 100% no ad spend, no out-of-pocket cost. Zero, nothing. All of it 100% organic. Let's take a look at another one. Birdie, 2K payment when he woke up. Let's take a look at another one. Simon, $2,000. This is a live stream that I've done for my team members. Here's another one. John. I've never met John. I don't know who he is, but somehow he found my system and boom, $2,000 commission. And look, he even mentioned this somewhere. He said, let me see, I think somewhere in the comments he mentioned, somebody asked him, hey, how did you generate these commissions? And check this out. He said it himself that he's generating it from Facebook and basically free, 100% free traffic essentially. So here's the thing, bottom line, okay? Bottom line. If you want to start earning big commissions online, and I mean big $2,000 commissions, and you want to do it with a special secret software that not a lot of people are using right now, this is something that I've just introduced into the marketplace, and you want to be doing it with free traffic, then I want you to click the link below and go check the webinar. Because if there isn't a live one that I'm hosting, there's going to be a replay for you to watch, and that's a limited time replay. I'm not going to be doing these webinars forever. So make sure to click the link below. This week I am hosting a few of them, so click the link below, go check it out. And I hope to see you on the webinar and explain to you click by click, step by step, exactly how I do this. And if you're interested in getting involved, then you can do so and basically start leveraging the exact system that I use, the exact affiliate marketing campaign that I use. And I see a lot of people out there doing all kinds of videos about this method and that method, and I'm reviewing this and I'm reviewing that. But bottom line is this. How much are they making? How much bottom line? Anybody can get on a video and tell you I'm reviewing this product and I'm looking at that product and whatever. But bottom line, the person that you're watching the video from, do they have the types of results that you want to have? Look at my results. Do I have the types of results that you want to have? Now, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to get the type of results that I'm generating. My results are not typical. That's because I don't do typical things in my business. But you have to think about it. This is something I wish I did when I was first getting started. So I would know who to listen to, essentially. So if you are interested in learning exactly how I generated these $94,000, $2,000 commissions over and over and over again, and other big commissions as you've seen, $14.97 and a bunch of other ones, with 100% free traffic, not a cent spent on ads, zero, then you need to come to this webinar. Click the link in the video description if you're watching this on YouTube and go come to the webinar. And I want you to join my team after you see it. If it's something that resonates with you, join my team at the Vertex Live level. Because what's going to happen at the Vertex Live level is this. Number one, you're going to need to build something built for you, which you're going to get when you join at the Vertex Live level. But the other thing that's going to happen is I'm going to be hooking you up with some bonuses, including the ability to generate this free traffic from my YouTube videos, from stuff, the secret software that I use to generate followers on Facebook and stuff. So you're going to need this. And time is running out because this promotion is not going to last forever. Again, I don't even know when you're watching this video. Hopefully you didn't miss out on it already. So click the link below, go watch the webinar or come to one of the webinars that I'm hosting in the evenings. This week, I'm going to be hosting a few of them. And basically join at Vertex Live. Join my team personally, and I'm going to be hooking you up with these bonuses. And nothing would make me happier than to see your testimony, just like you've seen John and Simon and Miles and everybody that you've seen inside, that you're going to mention, hey, I made this commission or I made that commission. That would be pretty cool because I get a kick out of that when my team members are generating results. I'm not here to sell you courses and manuals and all that kind of stuff. That's not what I'm about. Okay, you've seen those. Okay, you've seen a million of those. I've seen a million of those. And everybody's up to their ears with courses and stuff. Nobody wants more information. People want results. And that's what I know how to generate, period. I care about results for myself and my members, and what I do works. Otherwise, how the heck did I generate 94,000 in 58 days? So if you're interested to learn this, click the link below.